They may be singing sorry, but you won't be sorry after hearing these newcomers sing Sorry by Justin Bieber. Everyone give Jack Baker and Ethan Goldberger a warm welcome to the stand, or you will be sorry!
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty.
Well, that's a lie.
You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies.
That's for sure.
Hope I don't run out of time to one color referee.
What's the phone
'Cause
number?
I just need one more shot at forgiveness.
Just like last time.
I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice.
More like 100.
And by once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times.
Thank you.
So let me redeem myself tonight. 'Cause I just need one more shot, second chances.
More like 100 chances.
Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry?
I get that
'Cause
wrong.
I'm missing more than just your body.
Sounds suspicious.
Oh, is it too late now to say sorry?
Not so sure.
Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah.
Sorry for what?
Sorry. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now?
Nope, you still got 23 seconds left.
I'll take a piece of the blame if you want me to.
Sounds like a plan.
But you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two.
You broke the deal already?
I'll go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this?
Say what words?
Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry?
Yep,
'Cause I'm missing more than just your body.
Then what are you
Oh, is it too late now to say sorry?
Obviously,
Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Not just trying to get you back on me.
Well, it sure sounds
'Cause
like
I'm
it.
missing more than just your body. Your body. Is it too late now to say sorry?
That's it.
I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? Oh, when did you get here?
You were just talking to me.
I was?
That's it.
Wait, where are you going?
You're gonna be sorry about that.
Really? What did I do?